Ready to level up your Jira game and make user stories work for you, turning complex tasks into a development breeze. First, let's get to the heart of a user story. This is usually born from the epic. You'll find this within your Jira project, often represented by a dedicated card. Under the Create button, click that, select Story as your issue type, and craft a clear and concise title. Think as a user. I want goal, so that benefit. Next, dive into the description here. Elaborate on the user's need. Be specific. Detail what the user needs, why it's valuable, and any acceptance criteria. This is your roadmap. Use rich text formatting here to enhance readability. Think about who will use this story and add a story point estimation to plan the workflow. Now, the fun part, breaking it down. Under your story, inside your card, the most important section is the subtasks. Add detailed subtasks for each development step. These can range from front-end development to back-end integration. Perhaps include unit testing. This ensures no piece of the story gets lost. Assign each subtask to the relevant team member within your team. Set due dates for each piece to keep everyone on track. Use the right workflow for each subtask. Remember to incorporate testing and other necessary steps. By following these steps, you'll craft efficient, well-defined user stories within Jira. This structured approach focuses the feature and increases the overall team workflow of the story, making user stories a powerful tool in achieving project greatness. #story development #JIRA Agile.